Hi Sasque, this time a new review about a cosplay, my hero cosplay from Darling the FRANXX. I hope you like this anime. I really enjoy and love Hero and Zero Two. Also I love Kokoro, Mitsuru, everyone. So this time I'm showing my cosplay from Cosmanles, a site. You can check the link under the description in this video. Go to the site and see all the costumes they have about games, anime, uniform, Marvel, DC. You can find everything, also cosplay props. About this costume, it's very comfortable and I like it very much because it's a unique costume. I'll show you the details. The fabric is high quality ones. I like the buttons, the details, the colors too, they are good. Also you can see the zip, it's like a dress. So you don't have the shirts and the shorts. It's also easy to wear. About the shipping times and costs, it takes about 20 days for arriving, 5 or 10 days for doing it. About the cost, it depends where you live. About the costs, hurry up because now actually this costume only costs $59. So go to the site and find the costume. I link all in the description. I hope you like this video and my hero cosplay. See you in the next video, Saske. Bye bye!